Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how to use the Modern Warfare 3 weapons in Call of Duty Black Ops 6 Warzone. So basically Black Ops 6 Warzone, like with all the Black Ops 6 movement and stuff, the Omni movement, etc., and how to use the Modern Warfare 3 guns. And all you have to do is go over to weapons, go to loadout, and as of right now, the only weapons that have been added are battle rifles, and you can go over to Modern Warfare 3 and Modern Warfare 2. Uh, you know, Wait, actually, no. I was wrong. But actually, battle rifles, yeah, you'll notice that these are all Modern Warfare 3 ones, or Modern Warfare 2, and then these are Modern Warfare 3 ones. And if you want to, like, go for assault rifles and SMGs, for example, if you want to access the Modern Warfare 2 and Modern Warfare 3 weapons, all you have to do is click on this 2 logo right here, and then you can go ahead and access all of the guns from here. And yeah, that is basically it. This is again for everything, even the secondaries. This is where you can access it. You just have to click on this. It's next to the BO6, and if you want to go back to BO6, you can just click on BO6 again. But yeah, that's basically it. Should be the same for secondary as well. Yeah, secondary as well. So you have all of the original OG guns, and yeah, same for launchers as well. And yeah, that is basically it. That is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.